Your side effects can't be displayed error on Telegram. Now, if you have Telegram opened on your iPhone or Android and you go into a conversation, either a channel or maybe a group, and it says that information or that video, photo can't be displayed, it's because of your sensitive content filtering. Now, to turn that off, unfortunately, we cannot do it in the app. So you need to hop out of the app and open up a web browser instead. Now we're going to go to the official Telegram website. It's web.telegram.org. And after you've done that, of course, you need to log into your account. Within the web-based version, we can change or turn off that filter that will allow you to see all that sensitive content by getting to your settings. So tap on those three lines at the top left and then settings. Now within here, make sure this is your account, that phone number matches your Telegram account, and then tap on privacy and security. From here, all you need to do is scroll down and you can see sensitive content. It says I can disable this filtering, and essentially it will show all of the content, including mature or adult content. All you need to do is hop back into the Telegram app and it will now show it.